Oil pipelines spared in the desert, sun-scorched and sand-blasted. Why must they use pure black plastic? The answer is just two words: life safety. Today, let's talk about RTP, reinforced thermoplastic pipes, and why they have to be black and glossy. First, a harsh reality. If the outer layer of a pipeline doesn't have enough carbon black, UV rays will make it brittle and crack in just 1 year. Oil leaks, fires, explosions, the consequences are unthinkable. Black isn't for looks, it's functional. Carbon black does two core jobs. First, UV protection, turning solar radiation into heat instead of breaking down polymer chains. Second, conductivity, stopping static buildup that could trigger flash explosions. Black also holds up better against acids, alkalis, and salt spray. So what material can handle all this? Hanwha Total Energy's XRT70K is the answer. Specifically designed to tackle one core risk. It's been tested for 17,000 hours straight at 110 degrees Celsius, exceeding the national standard requirement of 15,600 hours. That's nearly 2 years non-stop. Globally, fewer than 2 manufacturers can pull this off. More importantly, all genuine material comes with traceability markers for microanalysts. The manufacturer offers free testing, and sales channels and distributors are all formally managed. Choosing XRT70K isn't about paying more, it's about peace of mind. Genuine material, reliable use,